Alicia here from MP Trust Treats. I just wanted to give you quick info on what I use to wash your treats after I make them, and also what would be good for you to use when you wash your treats. So as you know, MP Trust Treats stands for no preservatives, so I like to stick with products that don't have preservatives. One of the products that I use is this lavender vanilla 3-in-1 laundry pods. I also use Molly Suds. So MP Trust Treats comes with the option of having products scented with lavender. So when your products are scented with lavender, I use these laundry pods, and then I also use a little bit of this Ecos lavender laundry detergent with a little bit of this fabric softener, this lavender fabric softener by Vesca. And then I add some apple cider vinegar. I also add a little bit of apple cider vinegar with some lavender essential oil to the fabric softener to give it a little bit more lavender scent if you want your product scented with lavender. If you don't want your product scented, I use Molly Suds, and it's just an unscented laundry powder. It doesn't smell like anything, but it cleans your product. So at home, you can try some of these products. So these are my favorites to use for no preservatives, to keep your products washed with like natural chemical free cleaning products. And yeah, so that's it. So I just wanted to give you some quick info on what I use and what is available for you to use. Thanks, bye.